The Bob Marley cocktail is one of those that stands out right away, with vibrant red, yellow, and green layered coloring. This drink serves as a tribute to legendary Bob Marley. Red Stripe beer is worth a try in Jamaica. This is one of the most famous drinks available on this island. It is so light-bodied. It goes well with just about any meal. While in Jamaica, you'll find Red Stripe beer at most places where refreshing drinks are sold, including bars and restaurants. There's nothing like a dirty banana to confirm that you are in fact on vacation. This is another cocktail favorite for vacationers in Jamaica, and it is made with Tia Maria, rum, milk, and a ripe banana. The dirty banana cocktail is usually served with a dash of chilled cream. Dating back to the 17th century, rum punch tastes great in just about any destination in Jamaica, surrounded by peace, bliss, and beautiful beaches. You just might feel as though you're tasting this delicious concoction for the very first time. You can find rum punch at pretty much every watering age.